you ever feel like you're always fighting for someone's attention? It can be really frustrating when you feel like you're always the one putting in all the effort and never getting anything back. You might start to wonder if that person even cares about you at all. According to relationship experts, fighting for someone's attention usually only backfires and makes them want to distance themselves from you. But what if I told you that there was a much better way to deal with this situation? In fact, if you follow the 9 steps and advice that we're going to show you in this video, not only will you get their attention, but they will also start chasing you. So let's start. Number 9, stop chasing them. The first step that you need to take is to stop chasing the person that you want to attract. This means that you need to stop trying to be around them all the time, stop texting them constantly, and stop doing things that they want to do just so that you can be close to them. You need to give them some space and let them come to you. This might be hard at first, but it is essential if you want to make them start chasing you. Right now, they have an image of you in their head that is probably of a needy and desperate person. You want to change that image so that they see you as someone strong, independent, and confident. The best way to do this is by giving them some space and showing them that you don't need them to be happy. Number 8, take responsibility for your emotions. When we like someone, we often put our happiness in their hands. We think that they are responsible for making us feel good, and that if they don't give us the attention that we want, then we will be unhappy. This is not true. You are responsible for your own happiness, and you need to take control of your emotions. This doesn't mean that you shouldn't feel anything when the person you like ignores you. It just means that you need to find ways to make yourself happy without them. Once they notice that you are happy without them, they will start to chase you. This is a proven psychological principle known as the law of scarcity. It says that people want what they can't have, and they are more attracted to things that are rare. So if you can show the person that you like that you are happy without them, they will start to see you as a rare and valuable commodity that they need in their life. Number 7, live according to your values. According to relationship experts, living according to your values is one of the best ways to make someone want you more. When you are true to yourself, you exude confidence and self-assurance, which are qualities that are highly attractive to others. Furthermore, living according to your values sends a clear message that you are not willing to compromise on what is important to you. As a result, the person who is chasing you will have to work harder to win your affection. Finally, by living according to your values, you are more likely to find someone who is truly compatible with you. After all, compatibility is essential for a lasting and fulfilling relationship. If they don't share your values, then they are not worth your time and attention. Number 6, show that you are interested without being needy. It is important to show the person you like that you are interested in them, but you need to do it in a way that doesn't make you seem needy or desperate. Here's how to do it correctly. Show them that you are there when they really need you. Make them trust you by being honest with them. Be supportive without smothering them. Make sure that your actions always match your words. By following these simple tips, you will show the person you like that you are a reliable and trustworthy person who isn't needy. And that is exactly the kind of person they will want to be with. Number 5, become the best version of yourself. This is a big step that you need to take if you want to make someone want you more. You need to become the best version of yourself that you can be. This doesn't mean that you need to change who you are. It just means that you need to strive to be the best that you can be. Here are some ways to do this. Set goals for yourself and work hard to achieve them. Be positive and optimistic. Be kind and helpful to others. This will build your self-esteem and make you feel good about yourself. As a result, you will become more attractive to others. Number 4, be patient with them. If you want to build a lasting relationship with someone, then you need to be patient. Being patient means giving the person time to get to know you and develop feelings for you. You can't force someone to like you, and if you try to do it, you will only end up pushing them away. Keep in mind that some people develop feelings for others more slowly than others. This means that you might have to wait a while before they are ready to take things to the next level. Number 3, never take things personally. I know feeling like you are being ignored can be hurtful, but you need to remember that it might not be personal. There could be a million reasons why the person is ignoring you, and none of them has anything to do with you. Maybe they are going through a tough time in their life and need some space, or maybe they are busy with work or school. Whatever the reason, you need to remember that it is not about you. So don't take things personally and give them the space they need. The key is not to make them the center of your world and to have your own life. This way you won't be as affected when they ignore you. Number 2, Show them that you are wanted by others. One of the best ways to make someone want you more is to show them that you are wanted by others. This might sound counterintuitive, but it works. When someone sees that other people are interested in you, they will be more likely to want you as well. It's a natural instinct that humans have when they feel like they are competing for your attention. So let others see that you have options, and that you are a desirable and sought-after individual. This can be done by engaging in social activities and expanding your social circle, being confident and charismatic in your interactions with others, cultivating a fulfilling and active life outside of your pursuit of the person you're interested in. When they perceive that others find you attractive and valuable, they will be more inclined to see you in the same light. Number 1, be willing to walk away. This is the last and most important step. The idea of walking away can be scary, but it is crucial if you want to make someone want you more. When you are willing to walk away from someone, it shows them that you are not desperate and that you are not going to tolerate being treated poorly. It communicates that you value yourself and have high standards for how you should be treated. By adopting this mindset, you not only make someone want you more, but you also attract better quality people into your life. It creates a dynamic where the other person realizes they need to treat you well to keep you in their life. Remember, you deserve to be with someone who appreciates and respects you. Remember, you should never have to fight for someone's attention or affection. If the person you're pursuing is worth it, they will make the effort to show you that they care and are invested in the relationship. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos packed with valuable relationship advice. As always, thanks for watching.